Good day to all employers in Hong Kong. My name is John De La Peña. I am 32 years old. I am single. I am high school graduate. I have 7 siblings, 4 brothers and 3 sisters. My hobbies are cooking and singing. I have experience here in Philippines as a housemaid and nanny for 4 years. My duties are taking care of 2 kids, ages 5 years old and 6 months old baby. I taking care of them by giving them foods, milk, vitamins on time, take them a bath, change clothes, and diaper. I play with them and tutoring. I send them and pick up to school, prepare and cooking their meals, and I also do household chores like cooking, cleaning house steadily, doing laundry, washing dishes, ironing, mopping, marketing, and many more. I want to work in Hong Kong, ma'am, because I want to sustain the needs of my family, especially the education of my sister. To all prospective employer in Hong Kong, please hire me as your helper. I promise I will take good care of your children and do my best to do my duties and responsibilities. Thank you, and I'm looking forward to work with you as soon as possible.